Dear student, how are you all? Hope you are fine, and today we are starting our lecture. And once again, I welcome you in Sesmo lectures. So we were at divisibility test, and also today is our lecture about divisibility test. So this is chapter number 1.4. Also in this lecture, we will learn the divisibility rule for table of 4 and for table of 8. Okay, divisibility rule for table of 4 is a number is divisible by 4 if the number made by last two digits can be divided by 4. So here are the certain numbers, certain examples. We will check whether these numbers can be divisible by the 4 or not. So here we have to check only last two digits of every number. So the last two digits are 66, and 66 is not a multiple of the 4, so it means we cannot divide this number by 4. 88 is the multiple of the 4, so we can divide this 1288 by 4, so it is divisible. Now the digit last two digits are 04, and 04 is divisible by the 4, so we can say this is also divisible by the 4. So for checking the divisibility test of this number, you will only just find the divisibility of last two digits. 84 is a multiple of 4, or we can divide 84 by 4 by 21 times, so 64,684 is also divisible by the 4. Now there is a divisibility rule for the 8, and for table of 8 the rule is a number is divisible by the 8 if the number made by the last three digits will be divisible by the 8. So here we will check the divisibility test. So here you have to check the divisibility of last three digits. So here the last three digits are 466. When I will divide 466 by 8 by using my mind, I am doing this calculation with my mind, and 8 times 5 is 40, and there will be remaining 6. 6 will be go here, and it will become 66. Now 66 is not a multiple of the 8, so it means that the last three digits are not divisible by the 8, so this number cannot be divisible by the 8. Now the B is 1288. So here the last three digits are 288. So if you finding difficulty by doing calculation by using mind, then you can do a short process. In this short process, you have to write only just last three digits, and the last three digits are 288, and you will divide the last three digits by 8. Now start reading a table of 8. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24. So I will divide this number 288 by 8 by 3 times, so 8 times 3 is 24. Now you will subtract 24 from 28. The remainder will be the remainder will be just 4, and 8 will come down and it will become 48. Now we can divide 48 by 8 by 6 times, so 8 times 6 is 48. We will divide 48 by 8 by 6 times, and it will come 48. 48 subtracting 48, there will be 0, so it means that the remainder is 0. It means that the last three digits are divisible by the 8, so this complete number can be divisible by the 8. So in this way we can do divisibility by just dividing only last three digits by a 8. Now 804, here the last three digits cannot be divisible by the 8, so we can say that 39,804 is not divisible by the 8. Okay, if you divide 68 by 8, So 8 times 8 is 64, remaining will be 4, 4 will come here, it will become 44, and also 44 is not a multiple of the 8. So in this way we can say that D is also not divisible by the 8. Okay dear student, we have done with this lecture. So in upcoming lecture we will review all the tables that we have learned, and we will check the divisibility test of the numbers by revising all divisibility test rules once again. So see you in the upcoming lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.